What's up guys, Sanjyot Keer here and today I'm here with the one and only Niharika. She's a global sensation, she makes millions laugh, but today I want to see if Niharika can cook. Niharika, are you ready to chef it up?
Yes, I've watched a lot of shows for this moment.
Let's do it. Welcome to a brand new IFL series, Licious presents Chef It Up. So Niharika, इस सीरीज में मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स जैसे कि आप मेरी एक रेसिपी रिक्रिएट करने की कोशिश करने वाले हैं. And today we are cooking prawn ghee roast served in mini appams. Sounds interesting?
Yeah, very.
You have to get each and every component right. Your dish should taste perfect. Our plates should look similar by the end of this challenge. You're not just going to cook today, Niharika. You're going to cook like a professional chef.
Yeah, because I am a professional chef. Look at me.
But wait, there's a twist to it.
Okay, of course.
Guys, just get in here.
No, way. First of all, I can't cook. On top of that, this divider they've put. Is this like a window? Okay, no.
There's no window and you cannot peep. So Niharika, ये partition हमारे बीच में रहने वाला है. आप मुझे नहीं देख सकते, मैं आपको नहीं देख सकता. आपको मेरा हर एक instruction एकदम carefully सुन के ये पूरी recipe बनानी है. How does it feel?
I feel betrayed and I just want to go home. I told you I can't cook. Even if you show me how to cook, why are you testing me? I brought the wrong person.
Don't worry, by the end of this challenge, you will be able to cook the best prawn ghee roast ever, hopefully.
Yeah.
And to raise the heat a little bit for me as well, Niharika, I'm going to let you challenge me also for one component where you can either ask me to be blindfolded,
Okay.
cook with my wrong hand, or cook with just one hand. So whenever you're ready with that challenge, with whatever component, just let me know and the challenge will be accepted.
Okay.
तो निहारिका प्रॉन घी रोस्ट बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले प्रॉन्स को मैरिनेट करना है. उसके लिए बेस्ट क्वालिटी का प्रॉन्स होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड फॉर दैट आई ऑलवेज ऑर्डर इट फ्रॉम लिशियस. It is so convenient and they have seawater prawns, freshwater prawns, big prawns, small prawns. All are fresh, not frozen, and they are delivered so neatly and hygienically packed. So Niharika, you have a tray of prawns. So सारे prawns जो हैं वो bowl में transfer कर देने.
Okay.
Now these prawns are already deshelled, deveined, and they are cleaned in RO water, so you can directly use them from the pack. So it saves a lot of time. अब इसके अंदर कुछ चीजें डालनी है. First the lemon.
Like just dump the lemon or squeeze it?
Squeeze it.
Okay.
Just squeeze some lemon into it. Now a pinch of salt. You know how much a pinch of salt is?
Obviously.
Don't be generous. Don't add a lot of salt. And add a little bit of turmeric powder into it. And now you have to just mix everything up really well. I also want to ask you, Niharika, do you usually cook at home?
Yeah, obviously.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, where do you see yourself as a cook? 8, 9?
Like 11.
11?
Yeah.
Okay, so I need to raise the bar over here. So we'll
Yeah, you raised it literally, bro. Calm down.
Chalo. So Niharika, the marination of the prawns is done. We just need to keep it aside. And now we are going to cook the ghee roast masala.
Ta-da!
ठीक है? Just switch on the flame.
Wait. Hold on.
From all the way up and just go all the way down. It should make a noise.
It's making a noise that's scary.
Wait, I'll help you. That's it.
I did the same exact thing.
Now we need to add in the spices. So first, ये धनिया है यहाँ पर, साबुत धनिया, वो add करना है.
Can you describe what it looks like just for the audience?
The green colored balls.
Okay.
हिंदी में आपको spices नहीं पता है निहारिका.
मुझे English में भी नहीं पता.
Now add in the mustard seeds and the meaty.
Bro, you could have just said dump everything in. One thing he had to tell Chumma for build-up.
I just wanted to teach you what these ingredients are called,
like
Niharika.
I'm going to remember.
Now grab a kitchen towel from your drawer and use that kitchen towel to mix everything nicely.
Excuse me? What do you mean?
You just need to pat it from the top.
Like with my hand on the stove?
No, with the
thing,
napkin.
yeah.
Yes. So the napkin should be in between of your fingers and the pan. And we'll roast them until you start to get the aroma of the spices. Fragrance जो है उसकी आनी शुरू होना जाना check. What's happened to my Hindi, Niharika?
हाँ, होना जाना चाहिए, हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
तो बस धीरे धीरे इसको हमें भूनना है.
भूनना है?
भूनना है. भूनना है.
Yeah, I'm भूनदिंग bro. Whatever that is.
Can you smell these spices? वो fragrance आ रही है?
Yeah.
Yes. So next step is we are going to add these spices to a mixer grinder. तो
Okay.
mixer grinding jar ले लो. उसे अभी mixer grinder पे आपको fix करना है. So is your mixer on top of the machine?
1 second. It's almost there. Yeah.
Now take the spices जो आपने भुने हैं अच्छे से.
Okay.
उन्हें इस jar में add कर दो. Now add in the chilies. These are soaked chilies with soaked cashew nuts. Now add in the lasun.
The what?
Lasun.
Tell the audience in English also so we can be inclusive.
Figure it out.
Bro, you have to add the lasun and the other two also, no?
Yes, you have to. और अभी इमली भी add
Yeah.
कर दो.
Way ahead of you.
Now add in a little bit of water.
Wait, how little is little?
About 2 spoons.
How big is the spoon? You have like 14 sizes of spoons.
So don't measure it. Come on.
No, I need to be precise. You don't understand. This is how you do it precisely, guys.
Are you literally measuring each spoon?
Of course
It's
not.
not required. Switch on the mixer grinder. From your right side, एक blue button है.
Oh, okay. तो उसका करती हूँ मैं ये.
I can't hear you. Okay, switch it off, Niharika. Switch it off. Switch it off. हाँ. So let's check the masala. Just remove the lid very carefully. It should not just splutter on you.
Oh, the whole lid?
Yeah, the whole lid.
Yeah, of course I was removing it.
And the masala is done. It should look like a paste. It's looking like a paste.
Yeah.
A fine paste,
I'm
yeah.
sure it is.
ठीक है. So masala is done. We need to cook this now. So let's cook this masala.
Yes.
तो बस flame को on कर दो. Now you have learned how to do that, right?
Yeah.
Now add in about 3 big spoons of ghee. And now carefully add this masala into the pan.
Bro, I'm so scared it'll do that pat-pat thing.
No, it won't. It will start to later on.
Oh, you're lying to me. I can hear your pat-pat.
तो धीरे धीरे होगा ना वो पट-पट.
इधर फट-फट रही है.
So once the masala is added, slowly, very carefully, use your spatula to stir the masala. इसको
Yeah.
धीरे धीरे से cook करना है 10-15 मिनट के लिए.
Okay.
ठीक है, जब तक कि इसका color और texture change नहीं हो जाता है. So Niharika, I have a few questions for you. What would your reaction be to the people who eat dosa with ketchup?
Bro, I feel like you should leave dosa alone. All these, like I've heard of gobi manchuri dosa also, and I think it's so gross. Leave it alone. Have you had fries with ice cream though? That's nice. I dip fries in vanilla ice cream. That's yum.
That's weird.
That is actually damn yum.
Dosa with ketchup is better than fries with ice cream.
I swear to God, try it.
Guys,
If you have a problem with it, that's a you problem.
one more, pineapple over pizza.
I really like it.
You like it?
I do. I think like people overreact to pineapple. Just pick it out. No?
साथ ही में कि हमारा जो मसाला है वो भी कुक हो चुका है. आप देख सकते हो घी जो है अलग हो चुका है. तो भी नेक्स्ट पार्ट प्रॉन्स को कुक करते हैं और फिर प्रॉन्स घी रोस्ट हमारा रेडी हो जाएगा.
Done. Okay.
तो निहारिका अभी प्रॉन्स को कुक करना है. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोसेस है. प्रॉन्स को कुक करना बहुत आसान है लेकिन प्रॉन्स बहुत इजीली ओवर कुक भी हो जाते हैं. सो आई एम गिविंग यू अ शेफ्स टिप ओवर हियर. तो प्रॉन्स को जब भी कुक करते हैं इनका शेप जो है वो सी रहना चाहिए. ओ में नहीं कन्वर्ट हो जाना चाहिए. सी मीन्स कुक्ड, ओ मीन्स ओवर कुक्ड. So that's my chef's tip of the day. ठीक है. So switch on the flame and now add in like good amount of ghee. मतलब 2 big spoons, 2 to 3 big spoons of ghee. Once the pan is hot enough, just take a tweezer. ठीक है. और एक-एक करके just place your prawns flat onto the pan. But right now what we are going to do is it's going to be very quick.
Okay.
As soon as your prawns start to change shape, just flip them quickly. ठीक है.
Oh my God, y'all are seeing how professionally I'm flipping though.
I'm adding in the masala.
1 second, I'm still flipping.
Come on, Niharika, chef it up. We have to do this quickly.
Yeah, don't put pressure, okay?
What are you doing?
I was just showing off how I was flipping.
I'm adding in a little bit of salt. Now add in a pinch of coriander powder.
Wait, did you add in your masala?
Yes, I did.
The reg thing, no?
Yeah, not all of it, half of it.
How can you tell me that right before I'm... Okay.
Add in a little bit of salt now.
There are too many instructions, okay? How much is a little bit? Pinch, oh?
Just 2 pinches. Add in a little bit of that dhania powder.
You need to tell me these instructions clearly.
My instructions are very clear.
So the whole dhania powder or just half of it?
A pinch of it. Pinch of dhania powder and a few curry leaves.
So what if I put the whole dhania powder?
Taste change हो जाएगा मैडम उसका जल्दी. Prawns overcook हो जाएंगे. My prawns are done. I'm removing them off the heat.
Hold on. No, you didn't. He did not say a pinch of dhania, okay?
What's it? She added the whole thing? Now add in a pinch of coriander powder. Add in a little bit of that dhania powder. She added the whole thing?
No, I did not.
I'm going to taste it in the end, so you can't cheat. You have to be really quick. Prawns overcook हो जाएंगे निहारिका.
Wait, I'm so stressed.
Now add in the curry leaves.
The whole thing?
Yeah, 8 to 10 leaves. Don't count them, just
Now
throw them
the
in.
whole thing. Okay.
Yeah. And just mix everything well together. Your prawns will cook perfectly.
I'm sure they'll be perfect.
Yeah. So your prawns also should be cooked until now. मेरे तो एकदम perfect लग रहे हैं. मेरे को पता नहीं आपके कैसे लग रहे हैं. Hoping that वो भी सही बने होंगे. अब लास्ट कंपोनेंट बचा है इस रेसिपी का जो मेरा सबसे फेवरेट कंपोनेंट है.
Did you say last component?
Yes.
Okay, then I think since you had an advantage this whole time because you're a chef, I'm gonna give you a disadvantage.
What?
Use your other hand. Only.
Okay, you remember the challenge? I thought you forgot and I'll get away with it.
Of course I remembered the challenge. Use only your left hand. Are you a lefty?
I'm a righty.
Yeah, use only your left hand.
So guys, I'm only going to use my left hand. Weak है थोड़ा सा. देखते हैं how this goes.
Yeah.
देखते हैं how this goes. Take a spoonful of batter and pour it into the mold. अभी ये जो बैटर है इसको पेंट कर देना है वॉल्स के ऊपर एकदम आर्टिस्ट की तरह. तो बस वो बैटर को पूरे वॉल्स पे लगाना है. तो इसी तरीके से 3-4 अपम आपको बनाने हैं. देखते हैं अपम्स लेफ्ट हाथ से बनते कैसे हैं. Are these looking like mini appams to you?
No, they look very thick, but we like it thick.
और ये फाइनल वाला हो गया, फोर्थ वाला. Now after all the appams are in your mold, you need to add a few drops of oil. बस 1-2 drops oil के add कर दो. And now what you need to do is, in your drawer there would be a satay stick.
A what stick?
A satay stick, it's like a bamboo stick.
You mean a toothpick? Okay.
Toothpick is not this big,
Okay,
Baba.
like a long toothpick.
Yeah, a long toothpick.
Okay.
So you use that to just scrape off the ends once your appams are like cooked.
How do you remove it with the stick?
Like this.
What do you mean like this? Like I can see you do it.
I know you can't see, but easily निकल जाएंगे निहारिका. इसे एक प्लेट में ट्रांसफर कर दो और सिमिलरली सारे अपम्स को आपको डीमोल्ड कर लेना है और अपनी प्लेट में निकाल लेना है. अपम्स कंप्लीट हो गए, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लग रहे हैं एंड मेरे लेफ्ट हाथ से बनाए हैं गाइस. सो माय चैलेंज इज कंप्लीट निहारिका और होपफुली आपके अपम्स बन गए हो. सारे कंपोनेंट्स रेडी हो गए हैं. लेट्स प्लेट आवर डिश. सबसे पहले अपम लेने मिनी वाले एंड 3 अपम्स यू हैव टू प्लेट इट ऑन द वुडन लॉग. उसके बाद टेक सम मसाला फ्रॉम द बोल. जो घी रोस्ट मसाला है प्रॉन्स पे लगा हुआ वो थोड़ा सा लेकर ऐसे अपम के एकदम सेंटर में प्लेट करना है.
Okay.
Now just take a prawn with the tweezer and tail side up. You have to just place that prawn on top of the masala. The prawn should be standing. Just plate all the 3 prawns and you have pickled onions. Just place like a couple of them. थोड़ा सा उसको aesthetically अच्छा दिखाना है. And just place a couple of the microgreens on top. Done?
Yeah, okay, I think I'm done.
So Niharika, our plates are ready. It's the delicious segment where we are going to see how well you have performed. Alright Niharika, on a count of 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Wait,
Wow.
mine's not that bad to look
Yeah,
at.
it's so good.
Yeah, I think, see, I have more detail. The thing is coming out of the thing. You know what I mean?
Everything's perfect actually. I think aesthetically 10 on 10.
No thanks to you.
But Niharika, one
Yeah.
thing is left.
What? There's
Just take
more,
this
oh.
water and now pour the water in the pebble.
Whoa! Oh my god, guys, I do this on the daily.
That's our plating.
Oh ho ho!
Look at that.
That is so cool.
Now it's time to taste what you have cooked and what I have cooked.
I'm ready.
Let's switch.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Done really well. Prawns a little bit overcooked, little bit. बहुत अच्छे बने हैं. The ghee roast masala is perfect.
Okay, this is 5-star presentation. At home, you'll get one plate, one appam on the side, one coconut chutney. This is one smoke and all is coming. Love it.
I think you should taste yours also. You'll be really proud of yourself.
Yeah. Right. I think it was actually really good. I thought it was going to be very tutty. But it was quite good.
So Niharika, the prawns taste really good and it's so fresh, and when they come straight from the coast और उसमें कोई भी chemicals नहीं added हो तो prawns बहुत tasty लगते हैं, and you can taste that freshness on this plate, and you have performed really well. I'm so proud of you. And knowing the fact that you cooked this recipe for the first time, it does not look like that. Thank you for being here in the YFL kitchen, Niharika. Guys, if you want to try this prawn ghee roast recipe or any other prawn recipe at home, order fresh prawns from the Licious app or www.licious.com. I love Licious prawns. I know that you are going to love it too. Show some love in the comment section below. Hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and family.
Yes.
See you in the next one. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ciao.
Oh, one more. Oh, okay.
Cheers.